Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your profile on the Adobe Acrobat Reader application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on user profile. Here you should select or type in your name to the name section, such as your full, first, middle and last name. Then add your address, including your street, city, state, zip code and country as well. You should also provide some contact information such as your email address and phone number, and then add your birth date as well. If you are done with all this information, you should just simply go back to the previous page, because all of your added information will be saved automatically. However, if you want to clear them, tap on the clear button in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby removing all the entered information. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.